How to run an executable file without the EXE extension using a CMD script. The situation is that I have a portable application that needs to have a set environment variable. Otherwise it tries to set its settings in the user program data dir. To avoid running the executable in non-portable mode, to avoid allowing it to run without any parameters, I erase the file's EXE extension. But then I cannot run it, neither with the mouse, which I want, or through the start command. Is there any way to run an executable file that has no EXE extension?
Yes, simply entering the program's full file name usually works. The .exe requirement only exists in the GUI shell. It might be that the file needs an extension, though, so if you can't get my program to run, rename it to myprogram.not.exe or myprogram.lol and try again.
Any file with any extension and first 2 bytes MIS will be treated like an EXE. Try following. Create a new, .text, file. Type in it MIS, save it. Open CMD, go to its folder. Type, .text, and see the error message. Replace MIS with MS and try again, this time Notepad will run with file opened.
I tried to run process from file without the EXE extension. When I failed to do so from CMD.exe, I give a try some PowerShell commands. Here is one. Start process. The documentation says about default syntax and use shall execute with just. The command uses use shall execute syntax and returns error about not associated application to that file type. To force the default syntax, I added parameter that the use shall execute doesn't have. My program was started and wrote output to the console. This was enough for me, because I needed it only for test purpose.
Informante do suporte te chama, considere subscrevendo.